Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your melon soup. I'm going to be preparing a vegetarian melon soup. I have here my African oil bean. I have here the melon. I also have here extracted palm kernel water, which I'm going to be using to prepare the soup. You can see the pot boiling. The water level has reduced and brought out its own water. You can see the pot. I'm now going to be adding fresh pepper inside the pot and stir the pot. So now I'll be adding the extracted water of the palm kernel. Here it is. Cover the pot and allow this to boil very well. And I'll now add the African oil bean inside the pot. So I'll be allowing this to steam very well. So you can see the pot boiling very well. You can see the pot boiling very well. I'm now going to be adding my melon inside this pot. I'll stir it and then allow it to steam very well. You can see as I put it, it's as if it's not thick, but very soon you see the melon thickening the soup. You can see that the pot is boiling. I'll be stirring the pot. You can see how thick the soup is now. You know that vegetarians don't eat meat or fish. They eat pure vegetables, tough African bean, mushroom. So I'll still cover the pot and allow it to heat very well. So now the soup is ready. You can see how it is. It tastes so nice. So I'll be dropping down the pots. So here the soup is ready. I'll be dropping down the pots. If you love this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families. This is how to prepare your vegetarian melon soup. So I'll be putting this in my plate. You can see how nice the face looks. So here is a vegetarian soup. This is how to prepare your vegetarian melon soup. I used African oil bean in preparing this soup. You can see how nice and delicious the soup is. You can always prepare your meal even when you feel you don't have income at hand. You can always cook your soup. If you love this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share this video with your friends and families. See you guys in my next video.